Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a technology that allows computers to naturally converse with people. It is used in chat apps, virtual assistants, and other platforms. If you're interested in the world of ChatGPT and are looking for ways to generate income, there are several options to consider. One of them is creating and selling content to be used in conversations with chatbots or virtual assistants. You can write stories, games, or funny messages that people can use in their conversations. There are several online platforms where you can sell this type of content, such as Fiverr or Upwork. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by working for companies that need to create dialogues or content for their chatbots or virtual assistants. This can include writing text for customer service chatbots, creating user guides for virtual assistants, or developing scripts for sales chatbots. Offering consulting or training services. If you have experience in ChatGPT and know how it works well, you can offer consulting or training services to companies that want to use this technology. You can help them design effective dialogues for their chatbots or provide advice on how to use ChatGPT to improve customer service. Monetizing an online community. If you have an online community dedicated to ChatGPT or virtual assistants, you can monetize it in several ways. For example, you can charge for access to exclusive content or for participation in online events or workshops. You can also use donation or sponsorship platforms to receive financial support from your followers. It is important to keep in mind that working in ChatGPT also comes with some challenges. For example, it can be difficult to find work consistently and there can be a lot of competition. That's why it's important to have the necessary skills to succeed in this field, such as writing, communication, and independent work. In conclusion, there are several ways to make money with ChatGPT, but it is important to keep in mind the challenges and have the necessary skills to succeed. If you enjoy writing and have communication skills, it may be an option to consider. I hope this video has provided you with useful information and has given you some ideas on how you can generate income with ChatGPT. Good luck in your endeavors. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a like if you liked it. See you next time.